Hi, this is JD Break with Jackson Systems, and I'm with Rich from Ring is here to talk about these amazing Wi-Fi enabled floodlight cameras that you can mount on the outside exterior of your home. So, Rich, why don't you tell us a little bit about these products and what they can do?
Awesome, thank you. This is the Ring Floodlight Cam. Like all of our other Ring products, it is a full standalone system. You can utilize it with other Ring devices to have a whole ring of security around your home. Or standalone just by itself. The advantage that you have with the floodlight camera is that most everyone already has a floodlight attached to their home. Simply remove that floodlight, install this. You're not only going to maintain a motion detection floodlight, but you also have the ability to have a full motion camera attached to the side of your house. With this, you have full two-way audio, 1080p video with night vision, and
Nice.
when someone walks in front of the camera, the lights will come on. You'll get an alert on your phone or from Alexa and say there's somebody in your backyard. You can then talk to them in real time and say, what are you doing here? And if you don't want them there, there's a 110 decibel user-enabled siren, so you
Wow.
can scare them away and let them know that you're calling the police.
Now, is the siren, do you have to remotely, like you have to press that on the app, or does it automatically do that? Can you set like a parameter for the siren, or is it completely manual?
That would really scare your neighbors.
Yes.
So yeah, it is fully user-enabled.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. I didn't want any false positives and making my neighbors angry at me.
Exactly.
Cool. But they come in white. They come in black. These are great. Like I said, I got this as a gift from my brother-in-law who lives in the country, and he has a lot of animals and a lot of ne'er-do-wells that live near him. And actually,
Do you live near him?
No, I do not live near him. He's out in the middle of nowhere. But and there's also some really cool footage of some nature. Some wild animals that just come along because he has dogs. So that's good to know that there's coyotes in the area. So
Yeah.
this is a great product to have for anybody, whether you're in the middle of nowhere, whether you're in the city or the suburbs. This is a great product to have, and it's available at Jackson Systems from Ring. Available now.